Hello, this is Emily from the wonderful project of Table 2. Now let's get started. We're starting with the inner core. If you're feeling cotton balls, that's the inner core. The inner core is a solid metal sphere at the center of the Earth, iron and nickel. And it's made of iron and nickel. 5,000 to 6,000 below surface. It is also 1,200 in diameter. Now, let's go to the outer core. If you're feeling rubber cement, which is kind of sticky, then you are feeling the outer core. The outer core is an only liquid layer. The liquid consists of metal, which is iron and nickel. It's 3,000 kilometers below the surface, and it's 2,300 kilometers thick. Now, let's move on to the mantle. There are two parts to the mantle, the upper and lower, made of semi-solid rock and magma, right below the crust, 3,000 kilometers thick. All right. Oh, and also the mantle feels like yarn. And next is the crust, a hard, rigid outermost layer made of rock and 35 kilometers and 5 kilometers deep in the ocean. Now, since I started with all those basic outer layers, let's go into the more deep ones. Let's talk about the lithosphere. The lithosphere is the layer that is made of like foamy stuff. It feels very interesting and cool. Okay. The lithosphere is all of the crust, a tiny bit of the mantle, broken into plates that move slowly. Now let's talk about the asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is the upper part of the mantle that the lithosphere floats on. Very cool. And that is the layers of the Earth. Thank you so much. And the asthenosphere, by the way, is made of Play-Doh, dried Play-Doh. Oh, and the crust is made of tape. Oh, and I forgot to mention the crust is made of tape.